In this video, I'm going to show you how to cast onto your Sentro or Addy knitting machine. We're here at the 48th needle. Going to make a little loop around and then slowly crank just a little bit to get that hooked in there. And then we are going to go all the way around, going very slowly, weaving in and out. We only want to hit every other needle for this very first row. About halfway done. And here we are all the way around. So we're going to go ahead and put the yarn through the guide here and through the tensioner. Now you can crank away. Happy knitting.